Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to capture screen or record screen on your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. To record the screen of your laptop, use the built-in tool for screen capturing. To do that, press and hold Ctrl Shift and press this button along with them. After that, make sure to select the recording option on this toolbar you see at the bottom of the screen. So select this camera with a view from the side, and then select one of the three available capturing options. So the first one is the full screen recording, the second one is the part of the screen recording, and to select the part of the screen you're going to have to use a crosshair. Then you can also adjust this selection. And the last option we have on the toolbar is window recording. In case of the last one, we're going to need to open a window on our laptop to start recording it. And also, before capturing a video, open settings and make sure to adjust audio settings as well. So for example, we have audio input choice. By default, audio input is disabled, but you can change it to device audio or microphone, or both of them if you'd like to. Then you can also enable the frontal camera of your device by selecting this option right here, if you'd like to record your face while you're recording your screen. And then you can also enable some additional features. If you want to do that, hit this, switch this toggle to the right. And if you want to change the default path for your recordings, you can switch from downloads to any other folder on your laptop. Now to start recording, we're going to have to click record video and then wait for the video to start recording. So right now, this part of the screen is being recorded and everything that happens within it gets captured on a video. And if you want to stop recording, click right here on this red square. Then you'll be able to see the full preview of the recording after clicking this notification. You can also use Google Lens here. And if you want to find your recording in files, just go to Files, and the default directory for them is Downloads. And here in the Downloads, we have our screen recording saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.